everyone, I Shanu Gupta welcomes you in YouTube channel of Srimati R.S. Kalaria Primary School. Today in computer class we will see our chapter number 10 virus and antivirus. Okay, so have you noticed that your computer work improperly? Means your computer, the speed of your computer is slow. It may stop again and again. It restart automatically without doing any work or without giving any instruction. It automatically stop or restart. Your files may copied or some files may deleted. Have you think why this will happen to your computer system? What is the reason behind this? So the reason is virus. Yes, so in this chapter we will see what is this virus and how we can protect our computer from this virus. The term virus is a Latin word which means poison. The meaning of virus is poison. This virus, V-I-R-U-S, virus stands for Vital Information Resource Under Seas. So this is the full form of virus, Vital Information Resource Under Seas, and it is a Latin word which means poison. It refers to a program that is secretly introduced into a system in order to corrupt or destroy the data. It is one kind of program which सीक्रेटली इंट्रोड्यूस मीन्स हमें बताए बिना, इसके बारे में हमको कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं होगी, बट इट इज़ सीक्रेटली इंट्रोड्यूस इन द सिस्टम, हमारे सिस्टम में अपने आप आ जाएगा, टू करप्ट एंड टू डिस्ट्रॉय द डेटा. इट इन्फेक्ट्स आवर कंप्यूटर नेगेटिवली by altering the way the computer work without the user knowledge or a permission. It spread from one computer to another computer. It does stand alone but need a host file or a program to replicate itself. As it says that it secretly introduced without the taking the permission of user or without the knowledge of user, it comes into the system and it affects negatively. वो क्या करेगा, जो भी कंप्यूटर सिस्टम जैसे वर्क करता है उसको उसके अपोजिट वो वर्क करेगा. सपोज वो क्या करेगा, उसकी स्पीड कम कर देगा, फाइल्स डिलीट कर देगा, डेटा डिलीट कर देगा, उसको करप्ट कर देगा. सो इट इफेक्ट्स नेगेटिवली एंड इट स्प्रेड फ्रॉम वन कंप्यूटर टू अनदर कंप्यूटर. एक कंप्यूटर से दूसरे कंप्यूटर में वो क्या होता है, ट्रांसफ़र होता है. यू मे ऑल्सो डिफाइन इट एज एन अनडिज़ायरेबल एंड अनवांटेड प्रोग्राम फाइल और अ रूटीन दैट करप्ट फाइल, replicate itself, replicate other file or in some other way degrade or even shut down a computer system. So again you can define this virus as an unwanted program file, means जो हमारे काम की नहीं है, and that corrupts the file, replicates itself and replicate the other file. Replicate means उसकी copy करना. Okay, now let's see how this virus enters in the computer. So first that we had understand what is this virus and what the effect when this virus comes into the computer system. Now we will see how this virus enter into a computer system. So there are the several ways by which this virus comes into the computer. First one is from CD, pen drive or other portable device. People frequently use the CD, pen drive and some other portable media to transfer the data from one computer to another. So these types of media get infected from time when anyone insert or attach this infected media to the system, then virus may enter the system. First way is from pen drives and CD or other portable device. We are using this pen drives frequently. Means हम क्या करते हैं, for data transferring we are using this pen drive and we are using pen drive in some डिफरेंट डिफरेंट कंप्यूटर, एक कंप्यूटर में से डेटा लिया तो वहाँ पे पेन ड्राइव अटैच की, फिर वहाँ से इजेक्ट करके सेकेंड कंप्यूटर में इंसर्ट कर दिया हमने टू ट्रांसफ़र द डेटा। पर पेन ड्राइव अगर वायरस से इन्फेक्टेड है तो वो एक कंप्यूटर से दूसरे कंप्यूटर में ट्रांसफ़र हो जाएगी। सपोज़ हमने फर्स्ट कंप्यूटर में पेन ड्राइव इंसर्ट की और उस कंप्यूटर 1 में वायरस था तो वो वायरस पेन ड्राइव में आ गया। अब वही पेन ड्राइव हमने सेकेंड कंप्यूटर में इंसर्ट की तो क्या होगा, सेकेंड कंप्यूटर में वायरस आ जाएगा। बाय दिस वे वायरस ट्रांसफ़र फ्रॉम वन कंप्यूटर to another with the help of this pen drive. Next is from email. Virus may enter into your computer system through email attachment. The attachment that you received from unknown user may be virus. You are getting mails and if you are open that mail और उसके साथ कोई attachment है, means कोई document, कोई video file या audio file है, it may be infected with the virus and if you open that file, the virus may enter in your computer system. From the internet, virus may enter through a various malicious website. For example, when you download some file from the internet, they may be infected file which put your computer at a risk. We are downloading something from the internet and that downloaded file is infected with a virus, then that virus may come into your computer. And from computer network. A computer network is a large collection of several computer systems connected by a large or a main computer called a server. This computer constantly share the information. Any infected file may spread the virus. Suppose 4 computers are there and that 4 computers are connected with a main server. तो उसमें किसी भी कंप्यूटर में अगर वायरस है और वो कनेक्टेड है, दैट मीन्स वी आर शेयरिंग द इंफॉर्मेशन, दैट कंप्यूटर्स आर शेयरिंग द डेटा. So suppose if one computer is infected or the file is infected and it is share that file, so other computers may be infected from that virus. So these are the different ways that how the virus is entered into computer. Next is symptoms of a computer virus. Means what are the system? How we come to know that our system is infected with a virus? हमको कैसे पता चलेगा कि हमारे सिस्टम में वायरस है? First one is the computer might run slower. Means the speed of the computer is get slow. It might corrupt your system file. The system file means the files of operating system. It may be corrupted. It might make some programs faulty or corrupt. The other programs which are installed in the computer, it will affect that programs. It might steal the important information from your computer and send them to the other people through the internet. Means वो steal means चुराना. So it will steal some important information and pass to the other people. Application program on the computer do not work correctly or smoothly. Means the programs which are installed in the computer, they may not work properly. The computer locks up by itself frequently, which means that it stop responding to your command. Means सेम वे कि अगर वो कंप्यूटर क्या होगा, वो लॉक हो जाएगा. इट मैट नॉट रिस्पॉन्ड टू द command which you are providing. It make endless copies of infected file on the computer. Means so that the file which are infected with the virus, it may be copied by itself. Strange sound or beeping noise come from the computer or a keyboard. Some type of sound comes out from the computer or keyboard while you are using the system. Unusual error message are displayed on the computer monitor. Some type of pop-up message will be appear on your computer screen. The hard drive often run out of free space. Means उसमें क्या होगा, या तो आपकी फाइल्स डिलीट हो जाएगी या फिर वो कॉपीज़ ऑटोमेटिकली जो कॉपी हुई है उसकी वजह से क्या होगा, आपकी हार्ड ड्राइव में मेमोरी फुल हो जाएगी. So these are the systems that that occurs when computer is affected by the computer virus. Now let's see the types of computer virus. There are many types of virus and they can categorize according to the types of files that they infect. बहुत सारे टाइप्स के वायरस है और उसकी कैटेगरी कैसे हमने बनाई है, बाय द फाइल्स दैट दे इन्फेक्ट, जिस टाइप की फाइल्स को भी इन्फेक्ट करता है या द वे फ्रॉम दे कम इन आवर सिस्टम, बाय अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट वी आर कैटेगराइज दैट viruses. So here in the book some main categories are given. First one is boot sector virus. This type of virus reside in the boot sector of a hard disk or a floppy disk. The boot sector is the area of hard disk that store valuable information. They causes damage to the stored information. Some of the boot sector virus are Polyboot B, Killer, NT-EXE. This boot sector virus are reside in the boot sector of the hard disk. Hard disk का वो पार्ट जहाँ पे information, important information stored होती है. Generally this important information means the operating systems file. System files हम जो कहते हैं वहाँ पे वो वायरस इन्फेक्ट करेगा. ओके वो इंफॉर्मेशन को करप्ट कर देगा या डिलीट कर देगा. एंड सम ऑफ द boot sector virus are, example of this boot sector virus are Polyboot B, Stoned, Disk Killer. These are the example of boot sector virus. Next is email viruses. So this virus spread through email and email attachment. ये जो वायरस है वो किसके थ्रू स्प्रेड हो रहा है, विद बाय द ईमेल. So it is categorized as a email virus. Once an infected attachment is opened, the virus infect the computer system. अब क्या था, email के थ्रू कैसे आ रहा है, with the attachment. So if we open that attachment, infected attachment if we are opening, so that virus is entered into our computer system. Next is file program viruses. The file virus infect the program or the executable files. So these are loaded into computer memory during the program execution, taking the virus with them. The virus become active and infect the other executable files on the computer. So these are the virus is directly infect the programs or executable softwares which are installed in the computer. उनको डायरेक्टली इन्फेक्ट करेगा, उनकी फाइल्स को इन्फेक्ट करेगा. व्हेन वी ओपन दैट पर्टिकुलर प्रोग्राम, सो इट लोडेड इनटू द कंप्यूटर मेमोरी व्हेन दैट प्रोग्राम इज ओपन और एग्जीक्यूट एंड दैट इफेक्ट द अदर फाइल्स इन द computer. Some example of the file virus are Cascade and Sunday. Next is worm. A worm is a malware program that duplicates itself. This does not need any host file to attach. Worm can spread very fast and great in a number. अभी क्या था, जो ये वायरस थे उनको कोई एक होस्ट फाइल चाहिए, कोई मीडियम चाहिए. सपोज कि पेन ड्राइव के थ्रू वन कंप्यूटर से अनदर कंप्यूटर में ट्रांसफ़र होगा. फिर फाइल वायरस का क्या है, जब हम प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट करेंगे, एग्जीक्यूट करेंगे, उस टाइम पे वो एक्टिव होंगे, उस टाइम पे वो रेप्लिकेट होंगे, मीन्स कॉपीज़ बनेगी वायरस की. ईमेल वायरस का क्या है, व्हेन वी ओपन दैट अटैच फाइल, वो अटैच फाइल के साथ एक्टिव होंगे और कंप्यूटर सिस्टम में आएंगे. सो बट वर्म क्या है कि वो एक मालवेयर प्रोग्राम है, उसको कोई भी होस्ट फाइल, कोई भी मीडियम नहीं चाहिए एंड वो अपने आप ही रेप्लिकेट हो जाएंगे, so that it spread very fast. And the example of worms are Sasser and Blaster. These are the example of worms. Next is Trojan horse. It is a program that appeared to be beneficial at a first glance, but actually it damages the computer once it is run. They can steal the information from the computer. Trojan can damage your system in the following manner. It corrupts and encrypts the files, copying the fake links, opening and closing the CD-ROM tray, restarting the computer, randomly shutting down the computer, slow down your computer, taking screenshots, locking the keystroke or steal some information such as password, credit card number, etc. See, when the Trojan horse is appear in your computer system, first it is appear as a beneficial, मीन्स फर्स्ट लुक में वो क्या इंप्रेशन डालेगा हमारे ऊपर, दैट इट इज़ बेनिफिशियल प्रोग्राम. हमको ऐसा लगेगा कि नहीं हमारे सिस्टम के लिए ये बेनिफिट है. सो आफ्टर वर्ड वो क्या करेगा, वो स्लोली हमारे कंप्यूटर को डैमेज करेगा. सो दिस द 8 पॉइंट्स आर गिवन कि उसमें क्या करेगा, वो कैसे कैसे डैमेज कर सकता है. तो वो हमारी फाइल्स है उसको करप्ट कर देगा. कॉपीइंग ऑफ फेकिंग लिंक्स, फेक लिंक्स की कॉपी क्रिएट करेगा. CD रोम की जो ट्रे है, जो आपकी जो जहाँ पे आप CD इंसर्ट करते हो, वो अपने ऑटोमेटिकली इट विल बी ओपन एंड क्लोज. देन रीस्टार्टिंग द कंप्यूटर, स्लोअर डाउन द स्पीड, taking the screenshot, it's steal the some information like password, credit card number. So these are the damages caused by this Trojan horse. Some example of Trojan horse is Beast and Jess. Next is macroviruses. A macroviruses infect the macro within a document or a template. When you open an infected word processing or a spreadsheet document, the macrovirus is activated and infects the template. Since the virus attaches itself to the document, so it can spread to the other computer by transferring such type of documents. The macroviruses are generally attached with document file or spreadsheet file. When you open that particular file, it will activated, and this type of viruses is transferred with transferring this type of files. So the example of macroviruses are Malacia and Concept virus. So these are the example of macroviruses. So we had seen different types of computer virus. First one is boot sector virus, second is email viruses, third one is file program virus, fourth one worms, fifth Trojan horse, and next is macroviruses. Okay, now we will see that how we can protect our computer from these viruses. The protection of a computer from virus is not a difficult task. So it is better to remember some points to protect the computer system from these viruses. Firstly, install an antivirus program on the computer and scan the system with antivirus software regularly. First point is that install antivirus software and scan your device regularly. Second is, do not download program or a file from unsecure site. If you are downloading a program or a files, be careful that it is a secure site. Never open an email from an unknown person. It may harm your system. Third point is, never open the email which you received from an unknown person. Next is, regularly update your antivirus. Once you had installed that antivirus, so regularly you have to update that antivirus software. Scan your pen drives or CD before using them in your system. And the last is, keep system firewall on. In your computer system, in every computer system, this firewall is given by the operating system, so that you have to keep it on. So now let's see what is this antivirus software. Antivirus software is a utility software program that are installed in a computer to protect from a virus. It is a one kind of utility software program which helps our computer to protect from a virus. Some example of antivirus software are Norton, AVJ, Bitdefender, quick heal. So these are the example of some antivirus software. Antivirus software means a software which protect our computer system from a virus. Now the last, how we can use this antivirus into our computer system. So to use an antivirus, first of all we have to install that software into the computer. After installation we have to scan the system. पहले क्या करना है, जो एंटीवायरस सॉफ्टवेयर है उसको इंस्टॉल करना है और उसके बाद हमारे पूरे सिस्टम को स्कैन करना है. नाउ लेट्स सी द स्टेप्स फॉर स्कैनिंग अ कंप्यूटर. सो टू स्कैन अ कंप्यूटर यूजिंग अ क्रेप्सक्राई एंटीवायरस, यहाँ पे एक एंटीवायरस सॉफ्टवेयर लिया है, उसके लिए स्टेप्स दिए हुए हैं. So first of all, double click on that, the icon of that antivirus software is given. So double click on that, which are appear on the desktop or maybe in system tray of the taskbar. Then the Kaspersky window will be appear on your screen. Note that you can also click Show hidden icons button on the taskbar. All the remaining icons will be appear in the box. So select that particular item. If the icon is not appear, then you can follow the steps. Okay. Now second step, click the scan option. The scan window will be appear. Select the type of scan. When the scan window will be appear, then it will give some option, full scan or custom scan. Select the full scan. Then if you select this full scan option, that it will scan the entire system. And if you select custom scan, then some files or a folder rather than a whole computer, means कोई selected file या folder or a drive may be scanned. So when the scanning is done, the taskbar messenger screen open to show that the status of the virus scan. पूरे जब स्कैनिंग खत्म हो जाएगा उसके बाद क्या होगा, टास्क मैसेंजर स्क्रीन अपीयर होगी. इट विल शोज द स्टेटस ऑफ अ वायरस. क्लिक क्लोज टू क्लोज दिस विंडो. टू क्लोज दिस विंडो क्लिक ऑन क्लोज. नाउ स्कैनिंग फाइल्स और अ फोल्डर. These are the steps to scan the full computer system. Now we will see how we can scan single file or a folder. So select that particular file or a folder for scanning. Right click on that selected folder. कोई भी आपने एक folder या file select की, उस पर right click करो. Then a drop down menu will be appear. Click scan for a virus option. In this drop down menu you have to select scan for a virus option. Then the scanning will be started. Okay, so these are the steps we are following for scanning our whole system or a file. Now the last topic of our chapter is updating an antivirus software. We have to regularly update our antivirus system. So to update an antivirus, follow the given step. Connect the system to the internet. Keep in mind, whenever you are doing updation, your system is always connect with the internet. So connect the system with the internet. Then click on the icon of the antivirus software. Then the Kaspersky internet security window will be appear on the screen. Then click on update option. The update process start in your computer, and when the update is completed, you will get the window in which the updated details of antivirus will be appear. So you can come to know that your software will be updated. Okay, so these are the steps to update the antivirus software. Okay, so student, in this chapter we had studied about virus and antivirus. We had studied that what is the virus, how it is entered in computer system, what are the symptoms of this virus means from how we can come to know that our computer system is infected with the virus, what are the different types of virus, and at the end we had seen how we can protect our computer from this virus. So, this is all about our chapter number 10.